Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you 5 DIYs that you could do with washi tape. So these are really easy and these are objects that you could find around your house. So I hope you guys like the video. So the first thing is I actually have like a little book on it I'm going to be showing you guys. But the first thing is a phone case. So this is my brother's phone case. And it's really dirty, but I will be washi taping this, and it's like so fun to play with washi tape. And I think if you want to DIY your phone case, even if it's like plain or something, you could just use washi tape. Okay, so in my last video I actually unboxed a bunch of washi tape, so I really wanted to make this video for you guys. So here is the phone case, and it's just like clear. And so I'm going to be choosing the colors or like designs. So I think I'm going to be going with this blue or like turquoise design. It doesn't really show up. But yeah. And then I guess I'm going to be using this gold with silver. So I guess I'm just going to be using these two. They're really pretty. So I have my scissors because you're really gonna need them. And I'm just gonna get started. So I'm going to start off with the gold and silver. Okay, so the next thing you could DIY is like a journal or like any type of like book, I guess. So I have this journal like notebook. I don't really use it, but there's like this hard back, and this is like a squishy. But this back, I'm going to DIY it. Okay, so the colors that I will be, or like the designs that I will be choosing are this pink hearts and these silver stars. Even though you can't really see the stars, I'm gonna be doing those two. pencil. So this is like really easy to make. So this is really easy to make. Okay, this is really easy to make. All you do is just like wrap the washi tape around the pencil, of course. I will be showing you how to do that. So this is the pencil that I'm going to be using, even though it's really cute. I'm going to be using this one. So the color I'm going to be choosing are Alright, so the next thing that you could do is you could decorate like the cap of a candle. So I actually don't have a clip for this because I had already done it before this video, but this is what it looks like. And this is like my favorite one that I decorated, and it's this midnight blue citrus, and I made the cap, and it's really pretty. I like the colors of the washi tape that I used for the designs. I always say colors, it's designs. And it was really easy. I just put them on and then cut out like the excess that was on the sides. This comes out really cute, and I really like it. So I hope when I get more candles, I want to do this top. I want to collect these tops and just like have like a collection. But they're really cute. So yeah. Okay. And so the last thing, which I'm really excited to do, is you could decorate a charger. So I've seen a lot of people like paint their chargers or something, but you could use washi tape, and it's really easy. And I'm really excited to do this. So you just have this like little base. It could be any type of charger, but I'm going to be using this one. So let's go. So thank you guys. Alright guys, so that's all the items that I washi taped or DIY'd. I will be showing you a montage of those.